I'm going to tell you, you don't necessarily need to do that. You can use these spray cans and get a pretty good, nice repair. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to repair the dent, actually pull this back out. I'm going to fill it, whatever I need to do. I'm going to prime probably this area, and then I'm going to spray the color here, clean this all up, of course, and then blend clear out on this panel. Now, a lot of people will say, you know, that's going to delaminate from this coating.